Hi, I'm Maurice Dixon. We are here to show you EDIC's Galaxy line. The Galaxy line is available in several different sizes and models. There's a 17-gallon size, 12 gallons, and 5 gallons. All of these units are available with heaters for instant heat and deep down cleaning. Let's take a look at the features and the benefits of the Galaxy line. Here's the heat and run system. This heater will deliver 190-degree water in less than 90 seconds. There are 2 large tanks and a specially designed lid to retain heat in the solution tank. Sealed switches are inset at the top of the handle, ensuring safe and easy operation. Note the large wheels, which allow for easy transportation and stair climbing. The clamshell opening allows easy access to the motor compartment for fast and inexpensive service. The powerful dual vacuum motors maximize soil and solution recovery to ensure deep cleaning and fast drying. The Galaxy has a patented intercooler system which keeps all of these components cool and extends their life. The vac motors are mounted upright, not sideways, eliminating premature bearing failure. And the motors are mounted on a metal base plate to ensure long-term durability. The Galaxy has a state-of-the-art body design which projects professional image and allows for exceptional portability. The 5-gallon Galaxy is a compact unit that is super easy to maneuver and has an optional in-tank heating system, delivering fast and consistent heat up to 170 degrees. You can use any of the EDIC floor or upholstery accessories with this unit. To begin cleaning, just attach the solution hose and the vacuum hose to the machine and to the accessory you will be using. Plug into a 110 grounded outlet and turn on the switches. To start spraying the cleaning solution, pull the lever on the wand. To stop, release it. You can use a stainless steel wand, or you can hook up the power wand for brush agitation, and you can clean upholstery. For the automotive industry, the Galaxy features a 2,000-watt heater and high-performance vacuums. The Galaxy is available with your choice of 2 2-stage vacuum motors or 2 3-stage vacuum motors, and you can choose pump pressures from 50 to 250 psi. There you have it, the Galaxy line. The Galaxy line is powerful, it's maneuverable, it's easy to fill, and easy to service. The Galaxy is ideal for large or small areas, such as homes, schools, hospitals, long-term care centers, hotels, motels, restaurants, and the automotive industry. Anywhere you want your upholstery or carpets to look clean, showcase clean, the easy way, the EDIC way, just use the Galaxy. For a live demonstration, just